Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Los Fresnos Inn and Suites. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Los Fresnos Inn and Suites featuring free Wi-Fi and an outdoor pool which is currently closed due to renovations. This hotel is located in Central Los Fresnos. The Mexican border is 20 minutes drive away. A microwave and a small refrigerator are found in each room at the Los Fresnos Inn and Suites. The simply decorated rooms are equipped with a 40-inch cable TV and massaging showerheads. Each room is located on the ground floor with parking near your door. Ironing facilities are available upon request. Laundry facilities and a 24-hour reception are available to the guests of the Inn and Suites Los Fresnos. Guests can also enjoy a refreshing beverage from the vending machines or take advantage of the fax and photocopying services. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.